Now this image needs no introduction. This is Walter Russell's Cosmic Pendulum. This is how Walter demonstrates how the spiraling pressure waves create harvestable energy. This fantastic animation with sounds demonstrating it perfectly. You can see where the centripetal and centrifugal forces play their parts in generating energy as they spiral outwards. The inside and outside of the torus field basically. The 0 represents the equatorial line and the left and right sides the division of the sex pairs. The division and multiplication of the harvested energies are perfectly demonstrated below. You can see now how the design of the spiral the ancients depicted everywhere is so very important and tells us they already knew this information. Notice how different parts of the colour spectrum give different amounts of energy. A big thanks go out here to P900 Coolpics for helping bring this image to life. What a fantastic, beautiful piece of work. Solomon's Key Decoded. I made this to help you understand how this really works. So a big thank you go to the creator, Walter Russell and Santos Panacci. This decodes sacred geometry in all its forms and is the path to 0-point energy. It is based on the same principles as our realm uses.